Hi everyone, I am so excited today to walk you through how you can import your spreadsheet of Dahlia varieties using AI so that it should be very fast and easy to do. So as an example, here's a spreadsheet I used to use before I started using Clade. I captured a whole bunch of information about each of my varieties. Unfortunately, I eventually stopped tracking because it was just too much work. So now you're going to see me be able to move this into Clade. First thing I have to download as a CSV. I'm using Google Sheets. You could do this in Excel, Numbers, any program you use today. Next, I'll go over to Clade. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Import. There are two types of imports. With Clade, there's PDF, which is really meant for order confirmations or invoices as you buy new varieties. And then there's import from CSV, which is what you'll likely do if you're migrating from an existing spreadsheet into Clade. So I could drag and drop it, or I'll just find that under my downloads. And then you just map any fields you want to import over. So the name is the same in Clade. Supplier is, actually, I don't think I even tracked supplier, but you could add that. I didn't do purchase or selling price tuber count. Let's do number of tubers 2022. Location is, I'll do 2020. I didn't track this very well. Notes, I do have description. I do not have, but you could pull over something else that you wanted to bring. So then I confirm that mapping. Now you'll notice it didn't ask me to map my height or bloom size or anything like that. And part of it is because Clade has over 50,000 Dahlia varieties already in the database. And we also have ADS color, form, and size for many of those top varieties. So you can see it found 148 items on my spreadsheet, automatically pulled in ADS form, size, bloom size, and height for everything. Any quantities I had, of course, I didn't track price or any notes or description. You can see I have some varieties that I tracked, but they were essentially no ID. I think I'll probably actually just change this to no ID 1 or something like that when I import it. Or you could simply delete this as well if you don't want to import it. So go ahead and check. It's going to autocorrect anything where there's a mistake. So it changed the lowercase 2 to uppercase. Same with a lot of my casing. So it automatically corrected everything, pre-populated it where it was, and anything that I don't want to track, I can go ahead and simply delete out. And there's 2 pages to go through. But this is exactly how easy it is. Let's see it import. And there you go.